Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix TikTok sound not working. So if the sound isn't working on TikTok, you might want to make sure to check your volume or device's volume. So here, when I open a TikTok app onto my device, you could see there the video is playing, but the sound cannot be enabled. So here, you can hold on to your side button and then increase the volume. And this way, you're supposed to fix it. So next, sometimes if you've enabled do not disturb by mistakenly, that can also hamper your sound. So you just want to make sure to swipe down and just want to make sure to look for these do not disturb or the minus icon with a circle on it. Just tap onto it and there you have these do not disturb. That should be able to fix as well. Next, you could also try clean your app cache and data. Just go to your profile, tap the menu bar, go to settings, and there you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for storage and cache over here, free of space. Then you could go and clear cache. Just tap onto the clear, then go to the download clear, and then you have these manage draft. You could also do this. And this is how you will be able to fix TikTok sound not working. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.